Rented Jan, FEB in March 2019. Available December 2018 and April 2019. Naples is waiting for you. Don't miss this opportunity to spend your winter in paradise. This nice second-floor condo, common elevator, sea features open floor plan, tile throughout with marble finishes, gorgeous lake and pool view from the living room and master bedroom, updated bathrooms and more. Conveniently located just steps from the pool. Centrally located, minutes to the beach, shopping in downtown Naples. New furnishings, new appliances. Enjoy sunsets from your living room. Condo comes with 2 parking spaces, 1 covered carport.